It's really been a confluence of a lot of different topics. Today I actually started out the conference just talking about insights from yesterday's sessions. It was a very, very robust agenda where we learned about clinical supply management and how to use innovative technologies to consider sustainability and lower cost options for procurement of treatments. We heard from various speakers on how to leverage communication as a means to really bring a community of clinical researchers together and do good work for our patients. The vibe has been really, really great. Lots of really good engagement. Everyone is talking about new guidances from the FDA around Project Optimus and other changes that we're seeing in diversity and inclusion.
There's a lot going on right now where you see the FDA has actually pushed out some guidance about a week or so ago. Don't ding me if I'm incorrect with the timelines, but I know it has been recent. I think it was last week regarding this very topic. It's very, very important from a drug development standpoint to ensure that we're enrolling diversified, culturally acceptable patients. So that means we have patients and subjects from all over the world that participate in the actual studies to ensure that it will work properly genetically in their body, whatever the drug is.
So I attended the roundtable discussion this morning. The topic that I took part in was how to support sort of innovation in the existing CRO space. And while Foundation Medicine doesn't have trials ourselves, we support our biopharma partners' trials. And so it was really cool to talk to Karyopharm, was kind of leading the discussion, and to talk to some other CRO participants about how CROs are operating on these trials, how we can better enable innovative technologies, what the barriers are to clinical sites being able to adopt some of the newer strategies or newer tools. That was a really good conversation, just to kind of hear what everyone's seeing and hearing about.
Sure, so I spoke about infusing the patient perspective throughout the drug development and commercialization continuum. We provided some really practical strategies for partners in similar space to engage with patients at those pivotal milestones and throughout the drug development process. It was a really engaged session. I think we all face some common challenges around finding the time to engage patients, finding the right time to engage patients, identifying the right partners at the right time. And so we were really able to discuss some practical solutions to help us all through those challenges.
I really enjoyed discussing about the diversity and trying to enroll more diverse population in our trials, so the whole the global population can gain benefits from the trials we're conducting, because at the end of the day, the trials are conducted to benefit all our patients globally.
Basically, what we talked about was all about patient experience, how to put the human side of research tied up together to pretty much share how to enhance and improve the relationship between the clinical sites, the recruitment, and also the post-research experience, weaving it into not just the patient, but the families and the caregivers.